Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Asima Tamba. I'm a student of Universitas Methodist Indonesia, Faculty of Letters. Now I want to explain about sound variation, but before it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sound variation. Variation is characteristic of language. There is more than one way of saying the same thing. Speakers may vary pronunciation or accent, word choice or lexicon, or morphology and syntax, sometimes called grammar. Sound is a variation in pressure. A region of increased pressure on a sound wave is called a compression or condensation. A region of decreased pressure on a sound wave is called a rarefaction or dilation. Sound variation divided into three. First, linguistic variables and sociological variables. 2. Stylistic variation. And 3. Linguistically determined variation. Number 1. Linguistic variables. The concept of linguistic variable is an outcome of research in the field of linguistic variation. The linguistic variables which sociolinguists have studied are those where the meaning remains constant but the form varies. For instance, two different forms, cat and pussy, are supposed to have some meaning and could therefore be considered as a linguistic variable. Sociological variables. Sociological variables, almost all sociolinguistic studies and investigations are concerned with the ways wherein language varies according to the social context in which it is used. Therefore, it can be said that linguistic variation is closely related to social variation. Second, stylistic variation. Stylistic variation plays a pivotal role in the field of sociolinguistic variation in that it sheds light on speakers' strategies with respect to external variables and allows linguists to observe ongoing linguistic change. To that, three major approaches to stylistic variation can be identified, namely 1. Attention to speech, 2. Audience design, and 3. Speaker design. The third, linguistically determined variation. Linguistic variation is central to the study of language use. In fact, it is impossible to study the language forms used in natural text without being confronted with the issue of linguistic variability. Variability is inherent in human language. A single speaker will use different linguistic forms on different occasions, and different speakers of a language will express the same meanings using different forms. Speakers of language make choices in pronunciation, morphology, word choice, and grammar depending on a number of non-linguistic factors. These factors include the speaker's purpose in communication, the relationship between speaker and hearer, the production circumstances, and various demographic affiliations that a speaker can have. Okay guys, that's all my explanation. And now I want to say thank you to my lecturer, Dr. Esron Ambarita SS M.Hum. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you and bye-bye.